Hi, in this video, I'll show you what basic accessories I got for my iPhone 16 White. Hopefully, you'll find some of these useful. It'll be a long video, but I do have video chapters below, so you can skip to wherever you want to. There'll be a lot of close-up looks at the items because I always enjoy examining the items up close. These close-ups highlight often overlooked, and just to satisfy my curiosity and hopefully helping you make informed decisions. And as someone who appreciates the finer details, you get to see intricate designs, textures, and quality that aren't apparent at first glance. Alright, finally, let's start. This is the white version of the iPhone 16. You can tell by the big 2 camera lens vertical layout, which help to be distinctive. And of course, with recent iPhones, they only come with a USB-C cable. There's always a satisfying resistance when opening an iPhone package. Here we have the white USB-C cable, and here's the iPhone 16 in white. This time they coil the cable in an oval shape, not in circular manner as before. Very pristine, very nice. And here's the documentation no one reads. And right here, everyone gets the satisfaction of peeling this off. Up close look at the camera control and the power switch. While it's my personal preference, this white version, in my opinion, is timeless elegance. Very clean and minimalistic and aesthetic. The action button, volume up and down. And here we are at the USB-C port. I would probably never get tired of seeing it because we've had the Lightning port forever. Interestingly, this time, Apple doesn't seem to want to emphasize their logo as it appears less apparent. It just blends in too much with the matte white back surface. Next is this OneTouch glass screen protector by amFilm or amFilm. I'm going to go ahead and install it. It comes in 2 sets of everything. I won't be needing this dust removal sticker. I'll just use my air blower instead. There should be wet and dry cloth inside. It does come with this nice camera lens protector, which I won't use. Let's have a quick look at the installation guide. First, clean it with the wet wipe and microfiber cloth. Next, remove the mask film. Place the application tray over the top of this phone screen. Then press from the top and slide over the open cut slowly. Remove the application tray. And finally, if needed, use the squeegee. Alright, let's begin. Let's just clean it with the wet wipe first. Dry it with the microfiber cloth. There's some dust. I will use the air blower, or you can use the dust removal sticker. And here's the most riveting part. Place this at the top of the phone and face it right down. Now remove the mask film and place the tray down properly. Press the top and slide over the open cut. It seems to self-adhere quite quickly. And finally, just remove the application tray. That's what they call it. And it's perfect. There is enough gap around the rim, I assume, for those who like big, thick, rugged case. The tempered glass is very nice and very smooth and very sleek. Exact same amount of space all around. The front microphone is left bare as it should be. Next is this stone gray silicone case. I chose this case for full protection over the camera control portion and for looks and for good grip. Even though the price is a little hefty, it's supposed to work seamlessly with camera control. Comes with this literature that no one reads. This is such a nice case, nice color that can go well with the white iPhone. It says to place it in with the on-off button side first. I always do it the other way, with the volume side first. Once again, I appreciate the finer details. The interior has this premium feel, as well as the exterior. Perfect gap size for the adapter head, which I will show you later on. Just premium feel all around. This button, it says that it's made of a sapphire crystal coupled to a conductive layer to communicate finger movements to the camera control, which I will test that out a little. The cut for the flash. Hopefully these buttons will last. They're membrane type. Except this sapphire one that you can rock it back and forth easily when the case is off. Alright, let's get it on. As mentioned before, I always place the volume button side in first. Then you can snap the phone right in. Upgrading iPhones leaves old cases unused, unwanted, and unsellable, leading me to adopt one case philosophy, and this should be the one. Exact same width of the gap all around between the glass and the case. They look really nice together, in my opinion. The hole for the flashlight, I think I mentioned that already. There is enough elevated rim to protect the lenses. Once again, I appreciate the finer details that the designers conjure up. It feels really good in hands. Let's take a listen at the button being pressed. Now testing the camera control just to see how responsive it can be through the case. Not bad, very responsive. And how strong is the MagSafe? Very strong. And here's one more protection. This is the Neoprene cell phone sleeve zip wallet pouch with neck strap in blue. It's simple, yet functional, flexible, and stylish, in my opinion. And here's the neck strap. The neck strap is also very basic, simple. However, I won't be using it because I'll be putting the phone sleeve pouch in my jean pocket most of the time. But if you're traveling or on a trip, this would be extremely useful. Carry around your neck, that is. And I have this keychain that I often use for this type of setup. I put the pouch and the phone inside my pocket and use this to clip on my belt. Have a look inside. There's an inner pocket that you could put your cards in or what have you. Easy slide in and out. Here's the size comparison and what it would be like inside. Alright, let's have a look at this most useful accessory for the iPhone. This is the USB-C magnetic adapter. And I have tons of these, by the way. I use it on everything. My iPad, my Mac, my PC, my Android tablet, my external NVMe SSD drives. Besides charging, it can also transfer data. It's a two-piece system. There's the removable head and there's the body. The cable will be plugged in the butt end right here, while the head will be plugged into the device pretty much permanently. But of course, you can remove it when you want to. This one comes with two-sided grip, some don't. Alright, let's have a look. The USB-C cable can be plugged into the butt end of the body, and it can also stay there permanently if you want, while the head goes into the USB-C port on the iPhone. But it does protrude out a little bit, but if you can live with it, it's so useful, as you can imagine. All you have to do is place the cable near and it will do the rest. There you go, it's charging. You could think of this as the alternative to the MagSafe charger puck that can also transfer data. This can also be satisfying. Now let's have a look at me transferring some photos and videos over to the Photos app on my Mac. First time connecting the iPhone, just allow it. Select Trust, first time connecting, and likely enter your password too. And there, it transferred the videos and photos I had on my phone. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. I hope you've been skipping around because it's very long, I know. But I do appreciate you watching. I hope you come back for the next video. Thank you.